Hi and welcome. This video is to help you log on for back to school night. Be sure to log on using the student's email and password. Once you're logged on, click the second icon from the left on the bottom of the screen for Google Classroom. Once you're in Google Classroom, you'll see all of the classes the students are taking tiled. You're going to follow the schedule and click the class. You'll see the Meet link listed underneath the title of the class. Click the link. The easiest way to begin is by using the district-issued Chromebook. This will bring you to the Google Meet loading page. First, you can turn on or off your camera and microphone if you want the teacher to hear you and see you. Once you click Join Now, you'll actually join the Meet. Once you're in the Meet, you'll see an icon that says CC on the bottom. That's for closed captioning if you want to see the text of what's being spoken. Be sure to follow along the student's schedule and enjoy the experience. Have a great back to school night.